Evening. Do you know I'm sick of me bloody self? Do you always lose the remote control? I can't find it anywhere. It's doing me head in. And my arm's itchy. And I just can't be asked to get up, look for it. I've had this same channel on now for 2.5 hours. There's nothing I want to watch on it, but I can't find the remote. My nana used to be the same. What's it saying?
Come celebrate Christmas at Blenheim Palace. Join me.
What was this?
Best
Kirsty!
fabulous handmade fun.
I've never heard
I like Kirsty, do you?
Contamination before, but I like it.
Oh, look at the snow! Kirsty's Handmade Christmas, Tuesday at 8 on 4.
Did I tell you I went to the range and I got some clay, some Fimo, and I've made some presents. Oh, I better not say, because the people who I've made presents for might be watching. I've made some clay presents for people. I sat all day yesterday crafting.
Half an hour and Maxine
All day.
trial in
All day.
Fox. That's after The Simpsons.
My ass was numb. I'll have to watch The Simpsons. Or I'll have to get up and look for the bloody effing remote control. See you later, bye.
And cue the high-speed chase.
Stop.
I said cue the high-speed chase. In your own time, guys. Smith Toys Superstores sponsors The Simpsons on Channel 4.
Turn her off. Oh, I might have a go on my saxophone later. If I could be bothered to go up. Which I can't. And it's so bloody loud, I can't turn it down. I'm sick of it, I'm sick of it all. What's happened?